Yo guys, welcome back to another day, another workout, another challenge. It's your boy BrolyGainz, and of course I got a special guest.
It's just shocks to you. Super special guest.
And say alchemy. We got baby alchemy here. Say do these. And we about to do a little workout. It's getting to be that cold season, guys. So times is changing, but the work never that should never stop. Consistency stays. You know what I mean? So that's the most important part. Not only are we gonna do a workout, one of my brothers is supposed to meet me, Fabo. I don't know if you guys ever heard of him, Fabo. Never False, aka Jurin. He's about to join the workout. Feel me? And we about to put in this work. Hell yeah. Feel me, guys? This is the dad bod. No complaints. Feel me? We about to get ready, guys. And I have a special workout for you guys. This workout consists of strength training plus some cardio. People don't understand how important it is to you have a cardiovascular system. You have to engage your cardio. My brother here, he's in school right now in class, you know, so he's gonna join the workout too, even though he ain't in class. It was goody, bro. How you feeling?
Doing good, man.
Yo, my guy. Yo, what's your page, brody?
Oh, Fable never folds, you know. Stay fit, man. That's all we doing out here, man. We working, we eating, we hungry. Yeah.
Of course, baby girl got to join the workout.
I watch your videos sometimes.
You watch my videos? Yo, thank you for the support, man. Hell yeah.
There we go.
Like, maybe it's from LA, it's from,
Nah, man, I'm right here from Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn, King. Yes, King.
It's a pleasure, bro.
Yo, thank you, bro. I appreciate the support.
I watch, man. Because I got to work on this.
I see you doing your cardio right now. That's super important.
Oh, yes, man.
Let's go, man. Thank you, bro.
Hey,
Thank you for the support,
Keep on
man.
doing what you're doing, bro.
Hell yeah, bro. I
It's a
appreciate
pleasure.
that. Thank you. How old are you, if you don't mind me asking?
I'll be 70.
70 years old. He looking
Yes,
good. Look at
yes,
him, man.
Yes.
Let's go, man.
Born and raised in Senegal, West Africa.
Let's go.
Yes, Senegal. And, man, I'm like, what's your
Keep
videos?
up the good work, man. You looking
Yes,
good,
I
man.
know that.
Yes, you know it. Do these.
I'm like,
Yo.
I want to be like him when I grow up.
Yo, so,
It was a pleasure, bro.
yo, pleasure,
Hi,
man.
man.
Thank you. None of these guys know what the workout is,
Hi, bro.
but we're gonna go to the park. They think we're just gonna go to the park and work out. So, guys, my guy, he in class right now. How's class for you?
It's going pretty well. You know, it's going pretty
To
well.
be honest, man, I was thinking about going down Fulton Street, and I said, nah, let me just, I haven't been on Huckable for, so long.
Yeah.
And God,
Look at that.
make it happen, bro.
Yo, thank you,
Motivation.
It
bro.
was a pleasure.
Motivation.
Yo, let's get it moving, guys. What y'all walking for? Oh yeah. What y'all walking for, right, baby? Why they walking? Right?
There you go.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Way to calisthenics, man. No excuses. You don't need no gym. You don't need no equipment. You got a baby. Bring the baby. Let's go. Let the baby see the pain. Woo. At least I'm staying on the sidewalk, you know what I mean? Because I got the baby, you know? So today, guys, we're going to be doing a little time interval. Body's nice and warmed up with a block jog. So every 30 seconds, we're going to jog. Every 15 seconds after that, we sprint. And then every 15 seconds after that, this way, King, we do different exercises. Baby girl, you got your phone for the timer? Let's go. What are you stopping for? Well, we got the iPhone watch, right? Oh. Woo! Woo! Say it again, kid.
Go get some knowledge in. And I'm getting fit.
Let's go.
That's the whole world.
Right? See the cheese? Let's go, Kings. After we cross to the next side, you can start it. Oh, yes. They got lucky, guys. There's traffic over here. Faye's about to die. He ready to get hit.
Yo, they got that.
Faye ready to get hit. You're welcome, baby. Wee! Wee! Let's go, mama. We got this. Let's go. Come on, mama. Oh, she playing over there. Oh, she playing over there. Judge Jackson's trying to get as much rest as possible. She's over there playing. Let's go. Woo. Thank you, King.
Wow.
Hey. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. Yo, is that Dre? That guy look like my brother. One of my, yeah, one of the Saiyans. Yo, is that Dre? That can't be Dre. He should be here on this one. Shit. Hell no. Hell no. Hell no. Yo, Dre was a good boy. Yo. Hey. Yo. Yo. Yo, wait up, bro. Yo. It's good, bro. Yo. Yo, bro. Yo. Yo, bro. What is that? What is that, bro? What is that? A little bit of pizza for the workout. Shit. Nah, man. Hell no. She walking. Taxes, taxes. Everybody burpee. Everybody burpees. Read all about them. Taxes, taxes. Everybody burpees. Read all about them. I know she hate those, so feel me? Ain't no walking. Feel me? Yeah, burpees. Let's go. 5. Come on, Dre. Yo, guys, no excuses. All I want to see is pain. That's it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Burpees, guys. Burpees. Let's go. Oh, she's stopping again. Let's go. Let's go. Burpees. Whee. Whee. Let's go. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yes. Take off your shirt, Dre. Take off your shirt, King. Yes. Putting this work out here, man. You ready? Yeah. You good now? We good now. We good now, yeah.
You gotta pay taxes, man.
Yeah, it's fall season out here, so we got the hoodies and stuff like that. But all that shit gonna peel off because we turn up Super Saint. You feel me? Let's go. Yeah, guys, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. The work never stops. We actually on our way. We on our way to the park. What you say, King?
Can't get away from you, man.
Nah, man.
Can't get away
Found
from
your ass, bro.
Can't get away from you.
Found your ass, bro. We out here eating pizza. Where that pizza at?
I need
It's over. Look at that shit. That pizza all the way over here. Look at this shit. This shit, man. Do not eat these. Yo, you ready? That's a fact. Or at least throw it in the garbage. All right, guys, we're back to the workout. No more walking jacks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. We are out of here. Let's go. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Yes. Let's go. Yo, I'm doing the weighted calisthenics, bro. You should be in front of me at all times. Yeah, even though you're in class.
I do not want to protect
We doing it, mama. We trying. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Brian. How you feeling, King? Breathing control, super important, especially when you want to jog consistently and you got a baby, you're holding the baby at the same time. You gotta save your life. This is what you gotta be prepared for at all times. What if you gotta take your baby and just run? What's up? Sprint! 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 Stop! Jump squats! Jump squats! Yeah! Let's go.
I ain't come to your fault of this. Come here to get some working. Now I'm actually getting some working. Crazy. Let's go, guys. Jog. Shit.
Let's go.
Try again. Hey.
Take off that shirt, Dre. Take off that shirt. Let's go. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's go. Thank you, mama. Yo, we run this shit. We run New York City. Yo, Dre, right. Dre, make it right. Dre. Kiss? We all doing it. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sprint! 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 Shouldn't be. Sprint! All right. Stop. Push-ups.
I'm outside.
Push-ups. Stop. Rest with the push-ups. Rest in the push-ups, guys.
Dirty, bro. Oh, it's so dirty.
Oh, There's no comfortability in pain. Do this. Let's go. Yo, a couple months ago when I met her, she couldn't even do a push-up. Look at her now. When I met him, he was probably 100 pounds more. He couldn't do this many push-ups. Look at him now. When I met him, he was strong. So we gonna help him to get stronger.
Yes.
You feel me? That's how we do. Let's go. And she's been inspired by all of this. She's gonna know. This is what you do. Do these. Let's go. Yo, I didn't know I could sprint with a baby. I didn't know I could do that. But you see what I'm saying? You gotta be prepared. Be able to sprint with a baby. You never know. Life shit just happened. Boom! Sprint! 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 Alright, job, guys, job. Good job. I love you. You love me. We are happy. Oh, you don't want to sing? Okay. Then we just run. Let's go, baby. Wee. Wee. Let's go. Yes. 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 Let's go. Yes. Yes. Yo, what is your excuses, man? We got everybody out here. We got the bodybuilder, the weightlifter, we got the ladies, you know, running it in. We got the big boys out here. Feel me? We got the mesomorphs, my dumb ass, aka the fathers out here. What's up? Huh? On the street? I stay right here. Whoa. What are you stopping for? Hey, ho. Burpees. If we stopping, we got burpees. If we stopping, we got burpees. If we stopping, we got burpees. That's how we do. That's how we do. She's trying to find a place. Somewhere that's comfortable. Look. Somewhere. Let's go. Dale. I'll do lunges. Let's go.
Yes, the glass too.
Let's go, guys. We back to it. Oh yeah. Next stop, every time we stop, burpees.
Oh no.
Feel me? I got the baby, you know, I ain't stopping. You know? You know? They stop, baby? Yeah, they stop. You give them burpees, okay? Anytime they stop, say burpees. Let's go. We run this town. We run this city. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh. Is that a stop? Is that a stop?
We're still moving.
Is that a stop? Burpees. 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 She stopped, man. And we a team.
One person stop.
We a team. Feel me? Team sports type shit, man. All right, we can do burpees with jump squat. It's okay. That's perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. I got it. I'd rather have the baby. You know what I'm saying? No, the burpees. Burpees with the jump squat. Let's go. Burpees, yes. Jump squat, yes. There you go. One more. See, good job. Say good job.
Stop arguing me.
Good job. Let's go. We out of here. No more stopping. I think we got what? One more block, maybe? Sprint! I'm going faster than y'all with a baby. What's up? Sprint. What kind of sprint are they doing? All right, y'all. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. The work never stops. Yes. 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 See, last time I had the stroller, so that was kind of cheap. You know what I mean? Yeah, baby. I know. This time we carried you the whole way. Hell yeah. Wait, what? Oh, let me see that one more time. Let me see that one more time. One more time, baby girl. Come on. Yes. You see the park. You see the park. We right there. Yes. Yes. Best way to work your legs. Run. Yo, thank you, King. Thank you, King. Thank you. People love to see the pain, I guess. They love to see our pain. They keep complimenting us as if this shit is pretty or something. This shit is painful. Let's go. Let's go, guys. We're almost there. We're right there. Small world. Y'all stopping now? Y'all want to do burpees right before we get in there? That's crazy. To me, you guys are crazy. Yes, I'm crazy. That's what I want to see. Dre, the first one here. Give me that, King. Yeah, burn that pizza off. Feel me? No more pizza. Pizza done now. Shit going through his system. Feel me? Now, we do the second part of the workout. That was just a warm-up. That was just a warm-up.
What?
Huh?
Wow.